You guys should definitely visit here on your next trip to Ubud. Welcome to the part 3 of Undiscovered Places in Bali. We went to the Revolver coffee, with the interiors reminding us of the Wild Wild West, along with some stereotypical American food. Starting off with the mac and cheese, which was baked to perfection. Big ups to them for this. Moving on to the best freaking grilled cheese that I've ever had. Melted layer of cheese between two beautifully toasted breads, creating a delectably gooey delight. Also an awesome cheese pull. Not to forget the pickle they serve along with this. It couldn't get more American than these waffle fries, served along with some spicy dip. Coming back to what this place is mainly known for, the coffees. We had the Killer Chiller, which was a little too sweet for us. On the other hand, the Revolver shake was much better. Meri verdict hai, you should definitely visit here if you're in Ubud, with the theme going all around the place. Didn't try much of the coffee here, but I would definitely visit here again for the food.